Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I always do that. It bothers me every time. I'm just gonna hold my hands so that I don't do that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a Boxycharm unboxing, which is kind of embarrassing because the last video I uploaded was a Boxycharm unboxing. Oh, my ear's ringing. Okay, so I'm a little bit under the weather. I am catching my healing. There is like something going around and it's like trying to stop me and I'm fighting it. I like put some makeup on. My nose is peeling like crazy, but we're just gonna work through it, you know. I actually called out of work today, which is so weird because I never call out, like, ever, literally. Like, I can be dying and I'll still go to work. And yeah, I was just like, I need it. I needed the day and I just wanted to rest. And it's funny because I did everything but rest. Like, I did laundry, I cut my hair, I did my nails, I did my feet, I like vacuumed, I washed my bed sheets. I did everything today, but at least it was a productive day, you know. But anyways, I'm here with the Boxycharm unboxing. Please forgive me. I know I'm horrible, and well, I'm not horrible. I'm fearfully and wonderfully made, but I have been not prioritizing my videos, and I will do that very soon, I promise. I actually have 2 videos in my laptop that I am in the works of editing that I actually did with my friend Andrea, so those videos will be up shortly within the next couple days, God willing, if I get my life together. But a lot has been going on, and yeah, that'll be for another video because I'm 3 minutes in, so let's just get started. I'm with a Boxycharm unboxing video, so let's jump right into it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, you should know. I talk about it literally. I think most of my videos, 90% of my videos on YouTube are about Boxycharm. I still don't know why they don't sponsor me, but it's fine. It's fine. No big deal. But anyways, a Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You get this beautiful box, and it's $21 a month. It's perfect. It's amazing. I have put so many people on to Boxycharm, so if you want to be put on, let me know. I will let you know. So this month's box was Boxy and Chill. They always send these little cards that have the theme of this month, along with some description of the products, the pricing, all that good stuff. We are about to receive February's box. That's how late I am. But once you get that card here, you open and you get all these beautiful products, and I'm going to talk about what we got. So the first thing we received is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, and I was kind of bummed because there was 3 variations that you got from the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and this was like the least. Like, this was my my 3rd choice. Like, I was like, I hope I get this one, if not this one, and then like worst case I'll get this one, which is this one. That whole sentence didn't make sense. Anyways, this is the palette, and it is a beautiful palette, don't get me wrong, it's stunning. The colors are beautiful. The only thing I don't love is that they're mainly shimmery. The only matte color is this one right here. But other than that, I just feel like I have so many other palettes that look just like this one, so that's why I wasn't that excited to receive this box. But, I mean this palette. But I mean, it is a beautiful palette if you use it just for like little touch-ups and things like that. I just have so many colors similar to this, and the other ones were just so much more beautiful. They had one with like little crystals all over it, which is the one I really wanted, but it's fine. This is beautiful. I may regift it. I love doing that. Next we got this Starlux eyeliner in the color black. It's an Ultra Luxe Longwear eye pencil. So it is like a gel twist off eyeliner. I haven't opened it yet because I probably won't use it. I will probably give it away to someone. But it is a black liner. I am just more of the felt tip gel liner kind of girl. So, not gel liner, liquid liner. So these gel liners are not what work for me best. So yes, that retails for actually $19, which is crazy. I might as well just get the Kat Von D one. But anyways, moving on. The next thing we got, which I actually really loved, is this Over Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Havana Nights. This is actually the shade that I put on my lips today, and I put it on my lips today because I wanted to look a little bit more awake since I am feeling a little bit under the weather, I just wanted it to kind of like wake me up, and I feel like it does that. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. They are so soft and so like moussey. The texture is just so amazing of Ofra lipsticks. I have so many Ofra liquid lipsticks that I really enjoy, and I actually haven't been loving matte lipsticks for a long time, and if I do use a matte lipstick, it's probably Ofra or Dose of Colors. Other than that, I find them really drying, and I just live in Florida where the air is just like, I just want something a little bit more glossy and moist, so I don't really reach for mattes anymore, but I do really love this formula. There were a couple other shades that you could get in the box, and yeah, I wish I would have got the other one, which is called Miami something, I think. Miami Fever. It was more of an orangey one, just because I feel like I haven't really worn this like brick color red in such a long time. I feel like it's not my style anymore like it used to be, but it's still pretty, and I love Kathleen, so I will support her all day. So yes, next product that we got is this Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, which I'm actually super excited for. I have been using this for the last couple days on my ends, and I feel like, well, I did cut my hair today, so it looks a little healthier, but I just feel like it smells so good. At least I used it today. It leaves my hair feeling so soft and gentle, and it smells amazing. This smells, I don't know how to explain it, but it smells like berries. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It does say it has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Super good. I love this. This isn't a full size, I don't believe, but it is 2 ounces, which is a good amount. So I like that, and it's a pretty good travel size. And I honestly never wear leave-in conditioner, so it's a good way for me to try it. So yeah. Next, and actually lastly in the box, we received these 2 Touch of face masks, which are luminous dewy skin mask, which I'm so excited for. I cannot wait to try these. Tatcha is such a luxurious brand or high-end brand, so when I saw that we were getting these in the box, I'm like, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try these out. I'm waiting for like the perfect like girls night to put this, or just like a night where I'm just like relaxing. Yeah, so this is supposed to leave your skin silky and soft and smooth, and those face masks actually retail for $36, which is crazy because this box is only $21. The Tarte palette retails for $36. Oh no, I'm sorry, I apologize. The face mask retail for $24, the Tarte palette for $36, the Ofra lipstick for $20. So it just goes to show, like, we get really amazing products and brands in Boxycharm, which is why I love them so much. I'm so excited to receive my February box and my March box because they've already like released some sneak peeks, so I kind of know what I'm getting already, so I can't wait. But yeah, that completes this video. I am so sorry, I am under the weather. My voice is a little raspy, a little manly. I'm kind of talking a lot because I haven't talked in so long, like, to you guys, you know? So I'm just excited. So, let me know in the comments down below or on my Instagram if there's anything that you guys have been wanting to see or try out. There's so many videos that I have coming up that I want to do, a lot of them being faith-based. I have been like on fire for God, and I have just like so many things that He has been putting on my heart to share with you guys. I've just been trying to like meditate and really like dig in and do a lot of reading and praying before I do those videos. But as far as the beauty community, I have so many videos I want to do, which I'll probably do those a lot quicker, because I don't want to just throw out, you know, faith videos without really putting my all into it. But beauty is just so easy and fun. And I do have this palette, the Yes palette by ColourPop, which is so old, but I finally got it. I have been eyeing this bad boy for months, like probably like a year, and I finally got this palette, and I am wearing it on my eyes today, but I'm only wearing 2 shades. So I have this palette that I want to do a video on. I have this that my wonderful manager actually bought me for Christmas. This is the Brown Sugar Karuchi, I don't know how to say that, Karuchi and ColourPop collaboration, and like how freaking amazing is this? Like when I saw this, like when I opened it, I was like, what is this? So I definitely want to do an entire video dedicated to this whole set. I also want to talk about another palette I got, which is the ColourPop and I Love Sarai, and I also got this palette last month in my Boxy Boss, which is the Violet Boss palette. Like, and I have used this on a couple of people actually while doing their makeup. Like, there's just so many makeup videos that I want to do for you guys. Also, so many face videos I want to do for you. There's just so much I want to do. Also, skincare. I have like a new skincare routine that has been leaving my skin like beautiful. Look, like I'm under the weather. You can't even tell. Like, so I'll be talking about those products. I got a new job in the beauty industry, which I'm super excited and blessed and grateful for too. Honestly, there's just like so much going on 2019. I'm just so excited. I'm so happy, and I am just like so full of joy, and I can't wait to share it all with you guys in the next couple months and years to come. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.